Hello friends, do you want to improve your English? We all know that we need to improve our roots to get good fruits. So, to get good fruits of English, we are now going to learn the roots of English. Yes, we are now going to learn tenses today. These are the main fundamental pillar for speaking and writing correct English, and you must learn them properly. Have you ever considered them learning and thought that they are hard to learn or grasp and boring too? Then this video has a lot for you which will make you feel that tenses are much easy to learn and in the most easiest way possible. So without a further go, let's get started. What exactly is a tense? Tense is a form a verb takes to show the time it happened. It actually describes when any action happened with respect to time. Now, the time the action took could be past, present, or future. Consider this timeline. The circle represents the present time. The line left to the circle is the time which has already passed, and the line right to the circle is the future time. Please understand this timeline properly as we are going to use this timeline for understanding when any action took place with respect to time. Now, as time could be past, present, or future, so tenses are divided mainly into three types: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Now, each of these three types have four subtypes: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. You can consider it as a family tree where grandfather tense is having three children: past, present, and future. And each parent is having four sons with the same name: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Combining them all becomes 12 siblings. So we are going to learn each of them at a time. Before that, we need to revise the forms of verb. Verbs are mainly divided into 5 forms, which are base form. We will denote it as V1. Past form, we will denote it as V2. Past participle, we will denote it as V3. SES form, we will denote it as VSES. And ING form, we will denote it as VING. Let's look into an example of verb play. The base form of play is play. In the past form, it is played, and in the past participle, it is played. In the SES form, it is plays, and in ING form, it is playing. Let's look into one more example. Go in the base form is go. Past form, it is went. In the past participle form, it is gone. And in SES form, it is goes. And in ING form, it is going. Now that you are clear with the verb form, let's dive into the tenses. First, we will